Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dreams by Fleetwood Mac on piano. First, let's establish the left-hand foundation. You will primarily play root notes of the chords. For the verse, focus on a steady eighth note rhythm, moving between A, G, F, and E. Keep your touch light and connected to create a flowing bass line. This simple pattern provides the essential harmonic and rhythmic drive for the song. Now, let's move to the right hand. The main melodic idea is quite simple and memorable. During the verse, you can play sustained chords or a very sparse melody. For the chorus, focus on the arpeggiated figure that outlines the chords. Use a light, almost ethereal touch to capture the song's dreamy quality. Practice this section slowly to build muscle memory and ensure smooth transitions between notes. Bringing both hands together requires patience. Begin by practicing at a very slow tempo, focusing on the coordination between your left-hand bass line and your right-hand melody or chords. Maintain a steady rhythm in your left hand, allowing the right hand to float above it. Experiment with dynamics. Some sections might be softer, others slightly more pronounced. Listen closely to the blend, ensuring a cohesive and expressive performance. Consistent practice is key to mastering Dreams. Break your practice into manageable, focused sessions, perhaps 15 minutes at a time. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your tempo. Familiarize yourself with the song's structure, understanding how the verse, chorus, and bridge sections flow together. Finally, try recording yourself. It's a fantastic way to objectively assess your playing and pinpoint areas where you can refine your performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.